Hey, fellow woodcutters and problem solvers. This is ColfaxMath, my math channel, and Topsaw, my woodworking channel. I'm going to do a series of playlists getting started on the Xtool laser engraver. I've had a lot of laser engravers in the shop before, and these are really one of my favorite tools. They have so many applications, and you get students on them really quickly. I'm going to create a playlist. I'm going to post it both on my math channel, ColfaxMath, and also on my wood channel, Topsaw. And I'm going to go through setup of this Xtool P2 and the safety A2 air filtration system. And then I'm going to go through projects and curriculum that you could use this tool for. In the math side of things, I'm going to go over curriculum to design and build hands-on math projects that students could take home and really get an idea and understanding of what that math is about. On the wood side, I'm going to do a lot of the cool projects I do in the wood shop or in a STEM classroom that you could integrate into your classes as well. So just to get started here, this is the Xtool P2 55-watt laser. This is really a great tool. And then this right here is a Safety Pro A2 that is an air filtration system that goes along with the P2. The first video, I guess this will be the first video in the series. The second video in the series will be setting up the A2 right here. The third video in the series will be setting up the P2 laser engraver and cutter right here. And then I'm going to diverge from there. And then on the math side, do math curriculum projects. And then on the Topsaw side, I'm going to do more wood projects. Just to get you an idea of what's possible right here. Here's kind of a cool project. I did this in my math class to start with. It's to teach triangles, slope, degrees of measure. It turned out to be kind of a cool tool. All of these engraves are done on a laser engraver. And you could also engrave on anodized aluminum like that. But then additionally, this part was actually cut out on a laser engraver as well. So it does really pretty accurate cutting like a CNC router. Just a lot easier to use than a CNC. It does have a thickness limitation. This is about as thick as you can cut, but you could cut a lot of products out. I prototyped this whole thing, sent it out to Woodpeckers. They actually really liked the idea and then manufactured a one-time tool out in Ohio. The process of manufacturing this out in Ohio, I went out to take a look at the shop, the manufacturing facility. And they are amazingly similar skills to these smaller size lasers. A lot of parts are laser cut first and then CNC'd afterwards. So my point being is that if you're instilling these skill sets in your students, they are very, very transferable skills and applicable skills. Some of the other projects I do on the wood side is every wood project that comes out of the shop should have the student's name and date engraved in it. It's really a nice finishing touch. But we make a lot of earrings out of wood or acrylic. Really easy project. You could design and build really in 20, 30 minutes. The other thing we do a lot of is kind of smaller projects that sell really well on our web store and fundraisers. And then on the math side, I like building hands-on projects that students could actually touch and understand the ideas in math. So if you're new to the channel, think about subscribing. Maybe hit that notification button so you get notified of the upcoming videos. The first three are going to be this intro, how to set this up, how to set this up. And then I'm going to split from there to wood projects for a STEM class or a woodshop class kind of setting, or math projects that you could do in a math classroom. Okay, thank you for watching. I appreciate your time.